What's rough? I hope you really dig this video. Please subscribe to the Psychoto channel. Do it.
Hi everyone. Today I did a project and then I decided to make a quick little video about it. It's on how to save batteries in everyday items around your house. Sometimes the products just tend to leach the power out of the battery even when they're not in use. Not every product. Some work great. You put a battery in it, like a smoke detector, and it lasts a whole year. This product here is a garage door opener which I bought. I seem to be using like one battery every month. In my prior one battery would usually last half a year at least. So I suspected that it must be draining battery power. So what I did was I bought some switches off eBay. They came in a pack of 4 for $5.24, including shipping. And so I just installed one of these little switches right here in the circuitry. You just cut one wire that goes to the battery, hook one end of the wire that you cut to the switch, and then hook the other wire that you cut to the other end of the switch. It's really easy. So here's a quick example of a simple circuit. Now what I've done is just cut right here in the positive power, and I inserted the switch. And now when the switch is off, no more power can leave the battery, so the battery should last a very long time. I did it with one of my home safes too that has a battery in it. So here's a part to my safe. And I was replacing this because when I was trying to replace the batteries, this thing broke in half. Since I'm replacing this, I'm putting in a new switch here. I did have an on and off switch, but if you accidentally leave this on, it will still drain the battery. Whereas with the kill switch that you just press and have to hold while you punch in the code, once you release it, it's off, so you don't have to worry about it draining or leaving it accidentally on. So I just thought I'd update this with my safe. There is a bigger hole there from the earlier switch, but I'm just going to use a piece of plastic and glue it in there. It's just for looks anyway. And, the safe isn't really out in the open, so it's not really going to matter for looks. But now I'll have to press this, punch in the code, and let go, and then the batteries should last a very long time, which they have before with the switch, as long as I or someone else remember to leave it off. Okay, to make this work, you just have to hold this button right here while I punch in the code number. And then once I release the button, of course, there's no more power being drained from the battery. May not look the greatest, but it works good. Here's the safe that I was working on. So I just got to press this in while I punch in the numbers, and then I got to turn the key. So I have to use both hands, but it does save the battery for a long time. As I said before, when I used to have a switch here, but this one you can't accidentally forget to leave on. If you want to save batteries, it takes a little time to do this, but it's kind of fun project. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Just click here to subscribe to the Psychoto channel. Well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe already. Why don't you?